Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a batch process in Photoshop. It's really simple and easy. In Photoshop, you can perform certain operation in bulk using the batch feature. Let's imagine that we need to increase the brightness of all of our images instead of manually doing this hundreds of times. Let's begin by opening the Actions panel, then clicking the plus icon to create a new action. We'll give it a name, click record, create our brightness layer as usual, then save a copy of document as JPG. Once we are finished, we'll click the stop button to finalize our action. Next, we'll navigate to File, Automate Batch, and we'll define how we want our batch process to work. First, specify what action you want to run. Next, select the source folder of your original unedited files. Then select the destination folder where the final images will get saved to. You want to make sure that three checkboxes are selected. Suppressed file, open options dialogs, suppress color profile warnings, and override action save as command. Checking these ensures that there will be no annoying pop-ups that interrupt the operation. Finally, click OK and it will automatically perform the action on your entire folder of images. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to run a batch process in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.